This video argues that consciousness has three main aspects: subjectivity, unity, and intentionality. It also suggests that there is a hidden structure of consciousness that mediates between the surface level of consciousness and the brain. Subjectivity is the quality of being experienced from a particular point of view. Unity is the quality of being a single, unified entity. Intentionality is the quality of being about something. The hidden structure of consciousness is a set of properties that link consciousness to the brain. These properties are not known, but they may be necessary for consciousness to exist. The video argues that consciousness is not reducible to brain states. It believes that there is something about consciousness itself that makes it possible for it to exist and to be experienced. The video's views on consciousness are controversial. Some philosophers agree with its perspective, while others disagree. However, the video's views are important because they challenge the traditional view that consciousness is simply a product of the brain. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.